afternoon, everybody. This is Vasilis for ntmarkets.com. Today I'd like to have a look at the gold chart and the gold price in US dollars. Some interesting developments. We spoke about this gold chart about a week ago, and we said that if it does not hold a crucial 1640, 1645 level, we could see it coming off much lower. In the last couple of days, we've had some interesting news out. There were rumors of a commodity hedge fund blowing up, and they were unwinding quite a large position in commodities. I'm not so sure if that was a real reason why we did see a sell-off in commodities. Personally, I think it had to do more with the Fed minutes, better economy, rather indications of a better economy and improving economy, and therefore people possibly selling commodities to get back into equities. If we have a look at the graph now, we can see here that, as we mentioned before in the previous webcast, the 1640 was a crucial level, and we punted it as a buy due to the fact that it was also oversold on the relative strength index, as we can see up here. And we did, however, caution that if it breaks 1640, we could see it going down much lower. Now, looking at the graph over here, we've got a buy level of about 1550. It did get pretty close to that level, and we did see the gold price bounce from down there. But possibly look to sell into the strength. Technically, we do see this little right angle triangle over here, and if we take the top of that triangle down and we basically measure it from the level of support down to the bottom, we do get a reading of closer to about 1500. So from a technical point of view, potentially gold can possibly go down as low as 1500. Short term though, it is oversold, and we should see it bounce. A little bit of buying come back due to the fact that it is oversold. But in the longer term, it does have the potential to go down much lower, so keep a close eye on that. There's also talk of the death cross, so just be careful on that. As I said, however, short term I do expect it a bit of a bounce. I expect it to come back up a little bit, just as a bit of a recovery off those lows. But gold is looking interesting. The South African rand also stable. Gold shares on the local front took a bit of a pounding. My view is possibly buy down here on the local front on the JSE. Gold stocks are looking cheap. They seem to be offering some value down here, and I would be a buyer. This is Vasilis for ntmarkets.com.